Okay guys, so basically today I'm trying to teach you how to create your own stop animation movie using PowerPoint. I know it's a pretty classic tool, but it works pretty well, so I might as well just show you how it can be done using just plain PowerPoint presentation. Or if you have a Gmail account, you can always log into your Google account, which allows you to have the same access. I'm going to show you that in a minute too. But first of all, let's go ahead and open and create a new slide. This is what you should see, right? Once you're ready, I want you to go ahead and clear out the slide. Just go ahead and click on the borderline, delete. Click on the borderline outside and press delete. It should be a blank slide, completely blank. Okay, question so far? How do I do that? I just have to click on the borderline and press the delete key. Okay? Your next step right now is to go online and find yourself a ball. Sounds weird, but just go to Google and search for a soccer ball, something like that. And then notice on the left hand side, change it to images and it'll give you a whole bunch of balls. Okay, shh. Select a ball. Oh, I love this ball. Look at that. So what you do is you select that, and then you go ahead and notice the image has already popped up, right? On your computer, go ahead and hold down Control key and click on the ball. And you will see this menu popped up, right? And you go ahead and say, I want you to save image as, and I want it on the desktop. Can you do that? Okay? It will be recorded. It's already recording, so it will be online. And then click Save. So basically, I just have myself a yellow ball on my desktop. Okay, so let's go ahead and close down the side here.
Do we have to download the ball thing?
You have to download, save as. Okay, now if you go back to your PowerPoint presentation, you can go to the menu insert and insert a picture. Okay, where's that picture is going to be? On my desktop, and I have the yellow smile ball, and I can just insert it. Okay, this is only the first step. Yes? From file. In your case, yeah, since you have an older version of this, it's going to be insert from file. And if you save it on your desktop, it will be there. Yes? Your PowerPoint won't open. What you do is try to close it down again and reopen it. Oops. Yes, go ahead.
Can you help me?
What do you need help on?
My computer.
What is the problem with that?
Like I can't. How do you think?
Control, click, save image as. Okay, remember to get to the menu, you have to hold down Control key and click on the image. So let me just finish this whole thing first before I do anything. But notice, you can resize your image. But remember, I'm trying to do a stop animation movie, right? So what we do is, listen please. What we do is just, okay, I have this initial position of this ball, and I'm trying to basically think about where is this ball going to go? Well, you can draw your own path, whatever you want. Remember, this is a stop animation movie. So what you need to do is start thinking about, okay, this is only one frame of my movie. I'm going to need a lot more. So how do I duplicate this slide? What you do is go ahead and press Shift, Command, D to duplicate. This is for Apple, by the way. PC can be different. So make sure you verify that before you start duplicating. Otherwise, you just go ahead and say Control, press Control, and duplicate slide right there, and just and click on that. See, it will duplicate the slide for you. So for shortcut, just press Shift, Command, D, and it will just duplicate a whole bunch of slides for you. There you go. So far I have like 10 slides. Think of each slide as one frame. I will address your question in a minute. Just listen for now, okay? Watch what happened. I'm going to start moving my ball. One step at a time, slowly, because I want you to feel that it's actually moving when I play my slide. So it's going to look something like this. notice that I go through each slide and I animate my ball. And so when I scroll like this, it will look like this. Watch. See it?
No.
That is so crazy.
See it? So if you scroll down fast enough, you'll see this. So if you move the ball little by little, then you will have a smoother transition of the motion, right? But if you move too quick, you'll see this jerkiness in the ball. Watch, see? It's kind of like jerking. It's not as good, but it's okay. We're just practicing this time anyway. Okay? And then the next time I'll show you how to do a capture of this and record it and turn it into a video basically.
Wait, excuse me?
Yes.
Wait, how do you put this ball in?
How do I insert this ball into your PowerPoint slide?
Yeah.
Did you save it onto your desktop?
Yes.
Okay, and then you go insert, and you should say on your version you should say from file. You see from file?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then just go ahead and select the image on your desktop.
From file?
From file, yes, correct.
I don't know.
Okay, and that's it.
It's fine.
Okay, I want you to go ahead and start practicing that and play around with the motion. Oh, by the way, I promised you that I'm going to show you the Google version of this as well. So go ahead and if you have a Gmail account, go to google.com, log into your account, and here you see Drive, right? Click on that, and you see the Create button. If you press Create, it will allow you to create a presentation as well. And guess what? When you see this, it looks just like your own
Wow, not working.
PowerPoint presentation.
Not working.
We'll address that, okay? There it is. So I can do the same thing here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this first. And I can insert images just like I did for my PowerPoint presentation, and I will be able to duplicate the slide and animate my object that way. Okay? So if you have any questions on this, I can certainly help you more on using PowerPoint the Google presentation. But for the time being, let me just stop recording right now.